First, let's sign up for our website builder. For this video, we're using Hostinger's AI website builder because it's easy to get started and it looks great. Plus, you get a free domain when you sign up. And when you use the link in the description below, you'll get an additional 10% off. Click the link and then click Claim Deal. You'll be prompted to select a plan. In order to access all the AI features, you'll need to choose the business plan or higher. Up next, you'll be prompted to select the period. You'll need to select at least 12 months in order to get the free domain. But if you're able to commit to a longer time frame, you can get even bigger discounts in addition to the 10% you get from using our link. Go ahead and select a term that works for you, and then follow the prompts to continue. Here, I'm prompted to register my email address, so I'll go ahead and type it in, and then click Register. On the next page, go ahead and enter your billing address, then click Continue, then enter your payment information. Then after you submit your payment, you'll get this confirmation window. Go ahead and click Get Started, or wait until the countdown runs down. Next, run through the onboarding wizard and answer its questions. When asked how you want to build your website, choose Hostinger Website Builder. When prompted to select a domain, click Use Temporary Domain. We'll add a custom domain at the end.